mess with this. I usually like to do, this is really cute. I usually like to do a side part with my curly units, or like, kind of push everything to the side. I know, they sent me, this is their boho curly unit. Yeah, this is so cute. Okay, so I just kind of showed you guys, this was a really, really quick install. I literally just put this unit on my head and literally threw some hair to the side. It's such an easy and quick install for you guys to just throw this on. Again, this unit doesn't have any lace or anything. It's literally just the curls. This is their boho curly unit. So the curls are like this big. I like the fluffy hair texture. All you really gotta do is just kind of shake everything out, shake the curls out, because out of the box the curls come really defined. I personally like a more undefined look, so I kind of finger comb everything. Let's get into the actual review for Gorgius Wigs, and I will kind of set my camera up to sit down because I want to get my other camera and do this for you guys. But yeah, that was like the quickest install in the world. Let me get up close in the sunlight so y'all can see the curls. And this is how fluffy it is. All right, so this is a perfect lighting, I think. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm back with a new video. This is me, Tima. I have this unit, oh my God. Let me close this window because I got this unit from Gorgius Wigs. This is how it's looking. I'm gonna actually take my jacket off because it's actually kind of hot. I've got this hair going on here. This is just super pretty. I went for a little bit of a side part, and Gorgius Wigs actually sent me their boho curly unit. So the curls are a little bit bigger. And this is kind of like one of those shake and go type of units. It doesn't have any lace or anything. It's literally just a unit that's got bangs. Easy to throw on, perfect to just throw on if you're in a hurry or something like that. If you want something that looks more natural but still looks really good, you don't have to put too much effort. This is the perfect style. I was looking for a wig that would be as easy as this to wear. This is the little satchel that it comes in, and then they also sent me wig caps and a cute little carrying case that says Gorgius on it. Comes with hairpins, comes with an elastic band, which already has one sewn in the unit itself. And then we've got an edge control brush, we've got tweezers, and we've also got hair clips to pin your unit back whenever you're trying to style it as well. I've obviously already styled the hair at the beginning of this video. And this comes in a super cute, like holographic looking box, and it says Defy and Define on the front. I'm going to get into the specs of this unit. I probably should turn down this light over here. I don't know if that worked. But yeah, so I kind of already got on camera and showed you guys sunlight how the curls are already looking, but again, this is one of those wigs that you can just kind of pop on, shake, throw on, and it has like a very fluffy effect after the hair comes in looking really defined. It's super easy to make look natural. I just took my hands and I finger combed it, and it was super easy to put together. Now I think I want to go into the specs of the length of this hair and also the pricing, because I think that's really important. Boho curly wig, this is a 12-inch. The price of this is going to be $139.90, and they also give you the option of Afterpay, so you can pay in 4 interest-free payments of $34.98, and you're able to subscribe and get 20% off of your order, which I think is really nice. No, I really, really love how this wig looks. Like, this is super pretty. It just looks so natural. And so cute. It also says it lasts 3 to 5 years with proper maintenance. These are ready-made wigs, no lace, and they're machine-made wigs with adjustable straps. This is human hair, and it usually takes 2 to 3 business days as far as delivery time after the unit is ready to go. So yeah, like a lot of these reviews are really good. I've actually been seeing this unit a lot on my TikTok, so I don't know if it's just me personally that's been getting these ads, but I've been getting a lot of Gorgius Wigs ads. So actually I was getting the ads before they even contacted me, which is cool, and I was already interested in purchasing one because they're not that pricey as far as what you're getting. And yeah, again, this is just the perfect put on and go unit. I actually just wore this for one of my Instagram reels just now as well, and it looks super cute. So I'm gonna get ready to post that maybe in a few minutes. I have nothing bad to say. It's super easy to put on. And as you could tell in my install portion, it probably took 5 minutes for me to put this on out of the box. It was a pretty easy install. And then also for me personally, the way that I like to style this, because it doesn't have any lace, I would put a little bit of hair in the front, put the rest of it behind my ear, pin it back, and it gives that more like a sideburn illusion, even though like this wig doesn't really have any sideburns, but it's really easy to put on to where it looks natural enough, you know? And then you've got the bangs here, so I like leave a little bit of a parting space within the bangs, and I like how it's more sparse looking in the front, so it's not too intense, if that makes sense. Because I really hate wigs that have a really intense bang that's unnecessary and it doesn't look good. You can see the curls now more in the lighting and stuff. Oh, I look crazy right now. But I'm gonna scoot up a little bit so y'all can see my face better. That's all that I really have to say about this wig. Again, there's no lace. It's just a shake and go, ready-made wig to put on. But in this case, it's human hair, which I think is pretty darn cool. But yeah. That's all that I have to say about this wig. Again, the price is $139.90. It is a 12-inch unit. I think this one only comes in 12 inches specifically, just because of the way that it's already pre-layered for you to give you that styled look, so you don't have to do anything, which I like about this wig personally. So I'm gonna put the link to this wig by Gorgius Wigs down below. If you guys wanna go ahead and check them out, please do. They have them also in different colors. Like I've even seen brown. They have shorter wigs, they have tighter curls, a lot of different curly units that you think would specifically fit your style you can choose from, and they're very affordable. So please go ahead and check them out below. I'm gonna go ahead and film some intro shots right now for you guys. And that is it for this video. All right, bye.